lang. Marag mo lang yung last. Pili ka. Ay, dito kung gusto na umbrella kanyo doon sa dalan. Okay. So, nasa sila grilling area. Vlogger. Yan, grilling area, CR. And then, the umbrella, 750 only. Then, dagat. So, pili ka na lang. Asa ka magpwesto? Later, gamitin dagat doon. Gamitin dagat. Silasa. Silasa, oh. Asa ka magpwesto? Dari or dari? Pero gusto ko din, no? Okay, wait. Oh, wali pangit dito sa doon. Pero later, puno na yan. Time check. And then here is the location. Look how nice it is. Wow, look at that. Look at the waves. Super lakas. Pabalik na ang water, guys. Lakas na masyadong waves. Batuel. Sa lubong that. Then look at that. There's a sexy woman out there. Sa mga facilities nila. Oh, tayo ay English share. What is this place? They have sink and grill station, and then here is the CR. Then let's explore. Let's go to the other side of the world. Okay, another what is this? Grilling station also. So they have a lot of grilling station here. And another look. I think this is a room. Yeah. It's a room, guys. But let's go first here. Oh, okay, this is the chair. So they have this. So mas mura to dito. Okay. Let's make silip-silip. Ganto. So, chairs. And this here. What is this? The flowers. And then let's go to the rooms. Okay. And there's a dog. Oh. So this is the room. It's cute. nice. Mura ito. Here. Okay. Wait. Okay. Sunflower. Cool. This is cool. Another one. Okay. So that's all and start with the other side. Because I'm looking for another bathroom. This is their big cottage. Toilet this way. Oh, toilet. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. I'm going to toilet here. Oh, another one. Oh, spacious. Okay, nice. Kasi nasikip lang sa isa eh. But I like it. And then here, this is the owner's house. Yeah, I think so. It's an owner house. And then pababa. Let's see. Yung may grilling na naman dito, guys. So, side, and center, they have grilling station. And then those little cutie. Hi! Are you working at night? Then, sexy ladies. Oh, so nice. What is this? Oh, another resort. Resort sa gilid.
Guys, so nag-i-enjoy na si Elsa sa kanyang ginagawa. Okay, Elgwaning. So, ano ang iyong ginagawa, Baget? Langka udra. Langka. Masida langka. Sa Koy mo, ano na, manuyok.
Ana.
Manuyok ba yan nagdugo, ha? Ayun. Yo, Renz! Gusto mo Renz? Renzo! Pag-wet ki Renzo! Oh.
Gani! Cute tayo! Dili, abin pa?
Pero okay na siya, lalong-lalong.
Gilid. Wow, it's cute. Very good. Ay, balik. Siya nga instant yun. Tanga, dyan kay Kote, sorry. Talent din ako na. Let's see, so cute. Many chairs. Yan. And then the cottage. So cute. Lalo not hapon. Water will go here. Super nice. Okay, so that's the end of my mini vlog. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.